Okay fellas, hello, and today I have the Makita, it's not a sander, I don't know how it calls in English, planer maybe, and it's a DKP180, and of course you can see that it's some parts missing. I will try to turn it on. So nothing has happened here. And of course I will start from the brushes. The brushes looks almost new. And okay, now we need to open it. I think I will go here for the handle. Yeah, I think I need to remove the belt. Our armature looks good. Armature bearing not stuck. Wobbles a little bit. Okay, so now why it's not working? And okay, the handle again. And of course, you can see the controller here. The switch here. The black one goes to the controller, the white one to the switch. So we can test the switch. We have continuity here. Okay, so the switch is working, and the problem will be the controller unit, which is not working, and basically that's a common problem for these tools. Okay, I need to check for the new controller for this one. Okay, finally it's time to get back to this very good tool, repair, and waited for almost 2 months for this controller. Sometimes that happens. Okay, now we can try to place it wire by wire. And the first thing, what you can see, the black and the yellow connectors. And yeah, it's a minus. Okay, the black one is minus. The yellow one is for the battery level tracking. Okay, what we have left now, we have left the red and the black one, and left some wood dust on the switch. Okay, it's better now. So, the red one red goes out, another red one goes in, making sure that it holds in place. Now the black one goes out. And the new black goes in. This one going to the recycle bin. Okay, now we can start our assemble journey. Just managing all the wires in the housing gaps made for the wires. And of course hoping that the tool will run when I will assemble it, because sometimes tools just don't run when I assemble them back. Okay, looks good now, I think. Quite cannot remember how this one was here. I think this one was like that. Here we have the switch, the mine switch. Yep, the mine switch. Okay, the dust protection, the armature. Getting a drum bearing in the housing. One of the screws are messing with us around. Okay. Let's make sure that the screws is not holding our housing. Okay, now I'm taking the rubber hammer and gently hammering it. Don't forget to do that gently. We can see that both the armature and the drum is moving easily. Okay. Now I want to close the handle cover. Just making sure that it goes easy. Of course, now we will install the brushes. The one brush, the second brush, and okay, now we can feel that the armature spins good, the drum spins good. Okay, so what we can do, we can try it with a battery. Okay, and it's working. Okay, it was interrupted by a wife, and yeah, now as we know that it's working, we can put a belt on it. Okay, we can see the belt. Now we can test it like that. Of course, don't put your fingers here or here. Yeah, works very nice. So now we have the cover, and of course I need to find the screw for this one. I think it will be the 4mm screw. Maybe this will fit. Yeah, it's a Torx. Now I need to find a Torx bit for this one. Yeah. Okay. So now we have it working. Testing again. And check if this is working. Yeah, we can see the gap is getting bigger here. So this part is working. Of course, this is working. Yeah, it looks nice. No sparks. The wind goes out. Now we can clean the markings and put it to sale. For now, thank you for watching. That was an easy repair of the Makita. I don't know how to call it in English. It's not a sander. Okay, it is like it is. Thank you for watching. Bye.